This machine is mainly used in heat transfer, sublimation. Control panel. Open the switch, set temperature, set time. Push down the handle, symbol and light. Swing away function, convenient to put fabric. Pressure and the height of bottom plate can be adjusted. Height range of the bottom plate is 5 cm. Replace the bottom plate. Use the inner hexagon to rotate the 4 screws and take out the bottom plate to replace it. 3 cm thickness bottom plate. Operating demo. Connection plug. Turn on machine. Set temperature. Set time. Place t-shirt. Put vinyl. Start to do heat press. When reach time, machine will alarm. Open the fulcrum and rotate it to the right. Remove the vinyl. Process is done.